Boil it. What do you mean you boil it and do it?
Just boil and eat it.
Boil it?
Yes.
Boil it, ferment a bush.
The green mango?
No, the ripe,
No, the ripe one.
Yeah. Oh, hold on. We no drink coffee, tea, mango time. Care how nice it may be, mango time. When the fruit them are ripe and drop in the height of the mango crop. Wash your pot, turn them down, mango time. Hey guys, well, let's see here from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm in the hills of the breadbasket parish of St. Elizabeth. It's mango time and I'm at a mango walk. I'm with Miss Pat and her grandson. We're going to pick some mango. Alright? Alright guys, so CJ has climbed the tree. She's a tree. Wow, 1, 2. Mango falling down. This is Miss Pat, what kind of mango is this again?
Robin.
Still rubbing? Yeah. Okay. Okay, cool. Yeah man, go ahead and shake. Woo. Alright. Mango's raining down. Alright. But these kind of just turn. Oh, so a nice one here. Nice. Alright man, you're not good at it.
No, your head. That's not your head.
Alright, mangoes guys, raining down. And shake another one?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, watch your head. Alright, so meanwhile CJ is shaking guys, I'm enjoying this one. Nice, sumptuous, luscious. This big one. This is a little unusual for rubbing, right? Miss Pat, this is bigger. It's big. They're not usually that big. Sometimes, okay.
I give her most the green ones if we
Oh,
can.
put on and right. Okay, good.
If we get the ripe one alone, they'll just eat off the ripe one. We're done.
Yes. It's a nice one there. Nice one, that one.
This one, yeah, this ripe.
Right. Hey man, let me have it right now, man. Cool.
This one mango bush.
Yeah, man. See, come to eat mango. Alright guys, so we're separating the mangoes here now. CJ, he shook the tree a couple times and we got a whole bunch of mangoes. And now we have separating them. This is the ripe ones and the green ones. The green ones are gonna go over here in this bag. Alright? So that they don't squeeze. In the meantime, I'm gonna Miss Pat, I'm gonna quiz you a little bit on your knowledge of mangoes and mango time. So you, while you're picking up the mangoes, you don't have to stop, man. You can. What you doing? So you're from this area originally?
Yes, I was born and grew in this area.
Okay, and we had. Oh, tell me fun moments of mango time. You must have some good moments of mango time.
One mango time when we were little, we used to get up off our bed. Early morning, race to go mango tree. And my brother and cousin to race. You know, so we can pick the most mangoes.
Oh, pick up the most mango?
Yeah.
That mean they would have been falling under the tree?
Yes, man.
Oh, same place here, so?
Yeah.
Oh.
Get up
So
early.
this is family land?
Yes, man, family land.
Okay. And then after you pick up your mango, what happened?
We used to take them home and we used to show off one another who have the most mangoes, the prettiest mangoes.
Oh. Okay.
Good.
So they're fun times.
Yeah, fun time.
Good. And this is it's a oh, that bird chirping there. Is it the same type of mangoes here, like here?
Yeah, but we have that's the common, we call it common mango.
Where?
That's what let's see, but it's not on it now.
Oh, that is stringy we call it.
That's right.
Oh, but outside of that, for the most part, is the mangoes that you have here are Robin.
Yeah.
Oh, them sweet.
Yeah, them sweet man, sugar.
Sugar, no, yeah, man, they're sweet like literal sugar. I told somebody the other day that I believe they can make sugar. Yeah, some nice ones here, guys.
Yeah.
Still here. We're not troubling these. We're gonna have allow them to stay a few more days. Bird chirping in the background there. So we're in Mango Walk. It's Mango Walk you call it, right?
Yeah, mango walk.
Mango Walk. Okay. So the kids still do, I mean the children still, you feel them have the fun like the back?
No, they don't have the fun. They don't enjoy mango like how we used to enjoy mango. Because they don't pay the mango any mind with them.
They don't pay. So we have it abundant here because from what I see you have probably about more than 20 trees here.
Yeah.
I've got a lot of mango trees here.
That's a mango tree we have.
So you know, tell me something. You know, I learned, I'm a fan of nature. Some of my viewers probably will realize. I love nature. I love outdoors, the grand outdoors.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I was saying to somebody, I heard somebody mention the other day that we were talking about planting trees, really, and how trees are good for the environment and all of that stuff, you know. Yeah. And he said that the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. It's 20 years ago. The next best time is now. Today. Meaning today. Meaning everybody should plant a tree. Yes,
okay.
yes. Obviously somebody did some good work planting these. Because they look like they were planted. They can be in the space.
In row,
Yeah, they be planted in row.
Yeah, look like they were planted.
Yeah, but you don't know who planted them, right?
I don't know. From my great-grandfather or something.
Great, yeah.
Yeah, from
So you're born and you come to the tree, them
yeah,
just like this?
Yeah.
They were just like this, or, I mean, small?
They were smaller, yeah.
Oh.
Smaller.
So grandparents planted and now
I think so.
great-grandparents, and you benefiting from it?
Yeah.
And me benefiting.
And you're benefiting, so if we plant now, the
Yes.
next generation.
Yes.
you know.
So encourage CJ.
Plant a tree.
Yeah, man, encourage CJ to plant a tree. Him reaping them and all the other youngsters in the community here to plant a tree. Plant some mango tree. Plant some more varieties of mango. So while we're at the mango here, Miss Pat, the varieties of mango, I mean, do you know, Jamaica is said to have a whole lot of mangoes. Do you know the type of mangoes so my listeners, my viewers can understand with an appreciation of the type of mangoes?
There's a tree that is different there. And there is one over the side that we call blacky or green skin.
Green skin, yes.
When you go further, you will see them.
Popular one, yes.
But the skin not green. That's
Yeah, man, I know. Well, they're not black, you mean?
They're not black either. The skin not green because they are yellow right now.
Oh,
yeah.
When they're ripe, they're yellow.
Yeah, that type.
Okay.
What they call it blacky. Yeah.
Oh. So what else? What are some of the other mangoes that you know of here?
From number 11.
Number 11.
We don't have much Julie. We don't have Julie here.
No, not necessarily here, man, but in Jamaica in general.
Oh, in Jamaica in general, Julie and East Indian.
If I actually tell me 10 mangoes, you can name them. You think you know so much?
Robin. Stringy.
Yeah.
Number 11.
Yeah.
Julie. There's the East Indian.
Blackie 6.
Wait.
Come on.
I see him.
Stringy.
Yeah, that's
Stringy, come on.
Yeah.
Let me see if we can help. You said Julie already?
Yes, Julie.
We have a little one we look long. We have one in long mango, right?
We have one in Sweetie Come Brush Me.
Sweetie Come Brush
You
Me.
know that one?
Oh, I heard about that one, yeah. The small one.
Yeah, but it's sweet though.
Sweet, yes.
And we have
You have one named Long Mango, man.
long mango.
Yeah, man, you have one named Long Mango. Guys, if you know of any mango, you can please drop a comment there. Let me let me hear from you. But we're trying to find 10 mangoes. We have an abundance of mangoes
But
here.
maybe the names that we call them maybe different.
Yeah, because the black mango, I know it as Dunkel.
That's it.
That's how we know it in my community, Dunkel.
That's the
donkey.
same, we call green skin or blacky or whatever. That's the same one?
Yes, the same one, green skin and blacky as well. Number 11. Yeah, so we had at least what, about 7 there. Alright guys, help me guys, drop the other 3 here below. Oh, we have mangoes here, we have, oh, and the big, what about the John Bellyful?
I don't know, a beef mango. No, beef.
You have one named John Bellyful. CJ, you have one named John Bellyful?
One big mango man, where that name? Rather have it, the one that rather have it there.
Oh, dogs are here. Dogs, you want to help us?
A beef mango. Oh, Eden, I forgot Eden name.
Hayden, okay. But we have abundance.
Yeah, we have mangoes, but we don't even know the names.
Yeah,
You know?
I wish we could do better with them though. That way. 'Cause we have, it's oversupply really we have here.
Yeah.
And the amount of mangoes that we have here.
And
you
them
know,
ones are spoiled, you know.
spoiling now, yeah?
Yeah, them ones spoiled. You know.
Yeah. Oh boy.
You need to make some nectar or
Yeah man. So guys, I'm
Some-
challenging some of you watching here. A challenge out there. Right? Come up with some ideas. Let's use up the mangoes now. We have them abundant here. I'm actually sent into the bit I mentioned earlier with Miss Pat and her grandson. And we are at their mango field. They have mainly robin here. But there are mangoes all over, man, and they're really succulent. Outside of that, mangoes are also immensely nutritious. I heard mangoes have high in antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties, good for the heart, high fiber obviously, low cholesterol, powerful stuff, good for hair and hair and skin. I heard, I did a little research while I was coming here, Miss Pat. Yeah man, I was surprised.
Here and skin now we have your waist.
Yes, it's so much, it's good. It's good stuff. And it's natural fruit, you know, so it's tremendous benefits. Alright. Vitamin C, yeah man, a good amount of vitamin C and vitamin E as well, you know? Yeah, powerful. So the dogs eat mango, they don't eat the mango. They eat the mango? I'm gonna give him one and eat it. Here. I didn't know they eat the mango. Oh, okay. Oh, so the goats, they eat the mango too. Oh yeah, Mr. Byron told me the other day, I was at his farm. Goat farm. There's a video guys on the goat farm, Byron's goat farm, I have that as well. Check the link in the description below. But these are some goats and Miss Pat is telling me. These goat wild man, I'm not same goat with. Huh? Oh, stranger. When I meet the mango too, you feed them with the mango too or you just allow them to eat it? Okay. Hello. How are the mangoes? It's just lovely being here. I just love it. Love the great outdoors, and I'm enjoying the mango walk. The Miss Pat and her grandson. And everything else that comes with it. Great memories. Let me help you. Alright. Guys, mango. So we are towards the end of this season now. Oh, I'm glad I came in. Huh? Never bear that much. Oh, I'm glad we come at the right time, man. You probably don't know much about the planting of the trees and so the mango. If somebody want to learn about this mango, for example, mango tree is about 20 feet. 20 feet high. CJ, you know anything about measurement?
Like the trunk go up there.
From the root to the top. About 10 feet. To about 20 feet. About 20-25 feet. And that's standard size for a mango tree, not true? Mango tree, yeah. So, and you come say it's grandparents, the figure is grandparents who plant them? Great-grand.
Maybe I would have taken grand, not the grand.
So these trees here are here at least probably 8 years, right? 60, 80 years? 100? 100. Well, yeah, I wish I could tell a story. It would be interesting to find out. Yeah, but I said they were well organized, man. Obviously somebody did a great job planting them. Yeah, man, and they space them out. It's like, yeah, they're in a row here, guys. In a row here. So we're benefiting from that. So thanks to whoever did that work.
You want to look at the green skin out here?
Oh, yeah, man, sure. Alright, guys, we're gonna look at the green skin. This is the same one we call the black mango. Black mango, they call? Blacky. Hear all kind of birds singing, man. Barbel dove, ball plate. The breeze blow them off? Oh, you have had a lot of breeze recently?
Yeah.
Oh. Alright guys, we're in St. Elizabeth. It's up near the Monroe side. It's way up in the hills, high elevation here. Oh, a lot of mangoes here. Whoa.
What color do you have?
Oh yeah, these more yellowish. Oh yeah. And this is the same one we call black mango,
That's
right?
right.
Yeah, still pretty. Nice. But there's a lot of them on the ground here, man. Woo. Spoil up now, yeah, man. Guys, you're watching, sorry, and you can't get a mango where you are. Jeez, look at that. The debris. So this one, yeah, so none is on the tree now, almost. It's basically finished. Yeah, but you would have had a good amount to eat.
Yes,
already.
man, and it's sweet, you know.
Yeah. Alright, this one I will have it. This one is the green gauge. Some of us familiar with it as green gauge. It's the same one, guys. Alright. We're running to here a coal still. Coal still, okay, that's where they burn coal. Charcoal. Ah, that's a woodpecker now, I know the name. I know the sound. Oh, the bees helping themselves too. Alright guys, well I came empty handed. Well, and Miss Pat, myself and CJ came empty handed. Miss Pat came with a stick. And now we're going back with a stick. And 3 containers of mango. 1 bucket of ripe mango. 2 buckets of, well, 1 bucket ripe mango. 1 concrete bucket, we call it. Green mango and a bag. At least half mango. Oh, nice. So I'm going to put you on the spot. Put both of you on the spot doing a Miss Pat. CJ coming in the limelight now. CJ, alright, CJ is the man at the moment. What is your favorite mango, sir?
Robin, you know.
Oh, no, man. That's because of your because I didn't
Because I hate we used.
How about you used to?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It's the favorite mango. Alright, Robin, good. Miss Pat, what's your favorite mango?
Robin.
Robin.
Robin is everybody's favorite.
No, I think it's, well, certainly one of my favorite because number 11. Number 11 is nice. So what the other one? East Indian. You know the East Indian one?
Yeah.
You know it?
Yeah.
Nice one, nice. That's
One of the big one right there.
I look at Ian, which one is
yeah.
The red one?
Yeah, Ian.
Is it the East Indian and the number 11? No, East Indian and Julie. 2 of my favorites. With the same little black mango here, this one here too. When it's fresh off the tree, this one. Nice. But this one, I tell you, from the moment I came here, Miss Pat, the first time, I run into it. Well, the rest is history, you know. You know. Yeah, man, the rest is history. Love it. It's sweet. That mango, honestly, I think it's probably the sweetest mango. This Robin mango here, man. Nice, guys. Really nice.
Everywhere you see Robin tree, they one not sweet at all.
Oh, it depends on where.
Or sweet, yeah.
Oh.
I don't know why. Probably we're best.
Well,
It's
the climate here is really
yeah,
cool
the
too.
soil.
Yeah. Is there any way you can use mango otherwise, Miss Pat, as far as you know? I mean, you use it otherwise to do anything else or just really?
Not me, but I heard people that they curry mango and they make juice and so forth.
Oh,
Some of them boil it too.
okay.
We boil like the common mango, that can boil.
Boil it. What do you mean you boil it and do it?
Just boil and eat it.
Boil it?
Yeah.
Boil it fermented bush.
The green mango?
No, the ripe,
The ripe one.
Yeah. Oh, hold on. So that's like soup?
No, man. Just boil the mango whole same way.
You not gonna mash or anything, you know.
So come out whole same way.
Oh, so
But you put the fermented bush in to get a little seasoning.
seasoning.
Yeah.
Ah, that's a new one for me. We can't boil it too long though.
No, I took it soft.
Alright.
When you eat that, man, you don't want no food.
We don't use this one, just the stringy you boil.
The stringy, oh.
Yeah.
And then
curry the green stringy. You curry
curry the green string. You do, but you don't do that.
I don't, not me personally,
Oh,
but I've
oh.
heard of it.
Well, tell me how you make the juice with it. Because I know somebody's gonna ask me about how you make the mango juice.
Just cut off the flesh off the seed and you blend it and
If you want, you can blend it with wash it and blend it with the skin if you want it.
But me not go for peel it and cut it off the seed.
And that's all?
You can blend it
With ginger and whatever carrot or whatever you want to put in it, or you want to do it by yourself. But I really like it just like that.
Oh well, I actually I do it a lot, but I just wanted to hear from you.
Okay.
I blend it with ginger.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, but you have to strain it,
Then you strain
stick,
it, yeah.
and then have it within a day or two because you don't want to put it too long,
Yeah.
you know. But it's nice and
Yes,
very
nice,
nutritious.
yeah.
Now I know I'm gonna be eating more mangoes, guys, and you should. Well, now you know that mango is healthy, Miss Pat. You know it's good for you. Not too much, guys. If you're watching, not too much because it's sweet. It's very sweet. It's very sweet, but it's a very nutritious fruit. All right, and we're heading out. All right, guys, we're heading out, and we have security. This is chief among them. Alright, almost there. Alright guys, so there you have it, mango walk, mango time. I hope you enjoyed our little walk, our little journey. Thanks to CJ behind me and Miss Pat. The children, thank you so much for the time. I hope you learned something new. I'd love to hear from you. Share a comment in the comment section below. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. That way you stay updated on all my latest videos. This is The Real Jamaica.